So, good morning, good morning. And this is a Sunday morning. I truly appreciate all of you for coming here, for taking out time from your schedule and being here with curiosity. Only people who are curious will be attending such kind of sessions. Why? Because they are curious, they are driven to create miracles into their life. And this is possible only when your frequency is matching with something divine, something great that universe has to offer. So I don't think or feel that these sessions are coming from me. This is the universe that is playing its game through me, and we all are connected on this frequency level again, right? So they say that in the universe, there is no coincidence. And I am a strong believer of that. Whatever happens in our life, it is because we have tuned into that frequency. So, from yesterday's session, what was your biggest learning? Just think about it. In yesterday's session, what was your biggest learning? My biggest learning was if I am God, I can create and attract anything and everything. And this is so relaxing. This is so relaxing because even if I agreed with it or don't agree with it, certain things don't change. For example, if someone says to you that, can you explain gravitational force? Because the place where I live, gravitational force is not present. What will be your reaction? What will be uh, your advice or your opinion or your reaction to them? Possible ही नहीं है, right? And you will be saying that ऐसा तो हो ही नहीं सकता. Gravitational force is present everywhere. जहां भी अर्थ है gravitational force है. Simple, right? So let's keep life simple. And why life simple? I personally believe that जितना simple रखते हो ना आप हर चीज, उतना ज्यादा you experience peace, happiness, और आप जिंदगी को ज्यादा जी सकते हो. And this simple formula is present in everything I do. Even in my manifestation processes, I keep everything very simple, not complicated, not means not writing thousand pages every day. Keep it simple and focus on the core things only, and subtract the noise, right? So today we are going to see how we are going to tune in into the right frequency, because when frequency matches, energy attraction happens. I will repeat that. When frequency matches, energy attraction happens. When frequency matches, energy attraction happens. You can write this down on a piece of paper and paste it somewhere so that you will be able to see it again and again throughout the day. It is not about knowing, as I said. Manifestation is not about knowing. Manifestation is about living it, living consciously. So it is a lifestyle change. How many of you agree that even after listening to many sessions for many years, certain areas of life never changed? Or you couldn't see any change in certain areas, right? Why is that happening? Because when frequency matches, energy attraction happens. That means we are not able to tune into that frequency. Why? Because in spite of having that knowledge, we cannot sometimes realize it, let it get absorbed in our mind and heart and radiate the same frequency. So this is not about knowledge. So अगर कोई इंसान आए means और वो बोले, if I come to you and I say, do you know I am practicing manifestation for 10 years, 20 years? For 10 years, I have listened to one spiritual leader talking about manifestation, and it has really changed my life. So it has been now around 15 years that I'm studying manifestation. Does it make me great? Actually, no. No. There is no difference in between any person who is practicing manifestation for 20 years or 20 days. There is no difference. Why? Because God is present in everyone. No one is lesser and no one is greater. But what makes us feel that I am greater than the other person is our ego. And this ego is coming from our mind, which stops us from matching with the right frequency of our desires. Right? And there are different frequencies in the world. Have you observed that? अभी आपको सोचने के लिए तो मजबूर कर दिया कल के सेशन में. तो आपने ये सोचा होगा, इफ एवरीवन इज गॉड, तो फिर लोग ऐसे बिहेव क्यों करते हैं, फिर लोगों को गुस्सा क्यों होता है, फिर लोग गलत हरकतें क्यों करते हैं, दूसरों लोगों को तकलीफ क्यों देते हैं, हमारे पूरी दुनिया में इतने क्राइम्स क्यों होते हैं. All these questions pop up, right? So why this happens? Because people are not aware of that. Their power of God is sleeping inside them. It is not jagrit, it is not aware. Also, there are different types of frequencies in the world. There are different types of frequencies, positive, negative. There are opportunities of success, there are opportunities of failure. And what is this frequency actually? All these frequencies carry information. All these frequencies carry information, right? So when you listen to a good song that you like, what do you like the most about it? There is information, music hai, lyrics hai, right? Even if there are no lyrics, the information is present in the music because it is evoking certain emotions inside you. Agree or agree? And if it is a sad emotion or sad song, तुरंत आपकी वाइब्रेशनल फ्रीक्वेंसी उस सॉन्ग के साथ मैच होने लगती है, एंड यू स्टार्ट थिंकिंग एंड फीलिंग अबाउट द एक्सपीरियंसेस द सिंगर इज डिस्क्राइबिंग. You also start feeling sad and you start connecting with the singer. Agree? And why does this happen? Because all the frequencies carry information, and all the frequencies and all the informations are available and accessible to you. The question is, which frequency is coming to you? The question is, which frequency is coming to you? Now, that frequency comes to us, only that frequency comes to us with which we are matching. We are a perfect match. We are a perfect match. If you are married, if you are a married person, जब आपकी शादी तय हुई थी और आपने शादी के लिए हाँ कहा था, तो you felt that you are, or that person is a perfect match for you. You are a perfect match for each other, right? इसीलिए आपने शादी के लिए हाँ की. Is that right? Because it is not about the person is good or bad or perfect or excellent. It is not about whether the person is the most beautiful, most talented, richest person. No, it is not that. We don't look for that things, right? We look for whether this person is the right match for me or not. Correct? सिंपल फॉर्मूला होता है, और उस चीज के लिए सारी प्रोसेसेस होती है. करेक्ट? नाउ, if there are all these different kinds of frequencies available, if there are many kinds of people available, we attract one person in our life as a life partner. Similarly, if there are multiple frequencies, at one time, we attract only one frequency. At one time, we attract only one frequency. Correct? But now, if there are different kinds of frequencies, I can attract positive, negative, both. Correct? I attract success and failures both. I attract opportunities that make me or take me towards success and failure both. But then remember the law. And what is the law? Energy cannot be destroyed or created. Energy cannot be created or destroyed. It can only be transformed from one form to another. इसका मतलब ये है कि अगर मेरे अंदर ऐसी कोई फ्रीक्वेंसी है जो नेगेटिव है, then it's a good news, because I have power to transform it from one form to another. How many of you have gotten a wow moment just right now? Because even if I have negative inside me, nothing to worry. Nothing to worry about. And do you know what is the fact? If you are eager to know one fact which will blow your mind, then only this thing is going to change your life. If you're curious, then listen carefully. No person in this world is completely positive or completely negative. No person is completely positive, completely negative. आप अगर किसी इंसान को अपना भगवान भी मान रहे हो, स्पिरिचुअल लीडर है, कोई भी है, स्टिल every person has positive and negative frequencies. But what is special about them is that they have worked on this law. They have been successful in transforming any kind of energy into their desirable energy. Got that? So this is the power that we need to develop with time. Because if I have negative frequency inside me and my work is to transform this energy into the positive one, and if I'm aware and I know how to do it, then I have power to do it anytime in my life. Now, just a simple example. You all have mobile phones, right? If you dial Sunita's number, does Anita's number ring? Anita's phone ring? Whose phone rings? Sunita's phone rings. If you dial your mom, if you dial the number of your mom, then whose phone rings? Does your father's phone rings? No, actually no. So when you dial any particular person's phone number from your phone, then only that person's phone will get connected to your phone. This is called as frequency matching. Very simple. अगर आप यहाँ तक क्लियर हो तो आपके लिए आगे बहुत अच्छी चीजें खुल सकती है. अभी on YouTube, on Instagram, or in many course videos and sessions, where if you are listening to any manifestation practices, कि ऐसा करने से ऐसा होता है, वैसा करने से वैसा होता है, actually the power doesn't lie in that process. ये process से they are helping you to change your frequency. So all the power is present in you. All the processes, all the rituals, all the religious practices are designed so that आपके अंदर की फ्रीक्वेंसी चेंज हो जाए. राइट? तो हमारे यहाँ हमारे कल्चर में पूजा होती है, संस्कार होते हैं, यज्ञ होते हैं. क्यों करते हैं? ताकि हमारे अंदर की फ्रीक्वेंसी जो हम चाहते हैं उस चीज से मैच हो पाए, हमारा फेथ स्ट्रांग हो पाए. राइट? Now, if you dial your father's number, then only your father's phone will ring, not your mother's. Then, if you dial love, will you attract loneliness? No. If you dial Sunita's number, will you get to talk to Anita? No. So if you dial health, will you attract sickness? If you dial abundance of money, will you attract scarcity? Not at all. So the number you dial is the number you attract. Can you make a note of this? The number you dial is the number you attract. So if you're a radio or if you are that Spotify app, then the song or channel you select is the song that you get to listen to. Correct? Now, the question is, which number are you dialing? Positive, negative, uh, opportunities, opportunities in business, opportunities of success in business and work, or opportunities of failure in business, opportunities of happiness and laughter in relationships, or opportunities of arguments in relationships, opportunities of great health and energy, or opportunities of sickness in health. What are you dialing? Ask yourself most of the times during the day, what number am I dialing? Just this introspection or some brainstorming with yourself on this question will answer many questions of your life. Why is this happening to me? Why is this happening to me? I am good with everyone. So the only frequency that you attract, or the only frequency that comes to me, is the frequency that I tune into. The only frequency I attract is the only frequency that I tune into. Now, if there is a sadness, a lot of sadness in your life, बहुत दुख है, बहुत कर्जे हैं, you have debts in your life, then who has tuned into that frequency? Who has tuned into that frequency? Because frequency is outside or inside? frequency is outside or inside? चलो देखते हैं, how much have you understood in these 3 days? Frequency is inside. Okay, if frequency is inside, then if I am attracting the outside frequency of sadness or debt in money, then who has attracted, who has tuned into that frequency? I have tuned into that frequency. But then now the question comes, you might have asking me inside you, but Pallavi, I have never done anything bad for others. I have never intended anything bad for others. In fact, I have always thought and felt positive for others. मैंने कभी दूसरों का बुरा नहीं चाहा, कभी दूसरों के लिए खराब नहीं सोचा. फिर मेरे साथ इतना बड़ा हादसा कैसे हुआ? या फिर मेरे साथ ये मनी का लॉस क्यों चल रहा है? मुझे तो इसका समझ में नहीं आ रहा है आंसर, क्योंकि मैंने तो उस फ्रीक्वेंसी पे ट्यून इन ही नहीं किया. बट आई एम, यू आर सेइंग दैट आई एम द वन रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर दैट. हाउ कैन आई बी रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर दैट? नाउ हियर द आंसर टू दिस क्वेश्चन इज दैट you are very positive in one area of life. Maybe you are very positive in your money area, but you are very negative in a relationship with one particular person. Maybe you're very positive in your relationships, but you are negative in other area of life. Negative means, see, positive, negative, I want to use this terminology only to make it simple. I'm labeling it to make you understand the things better. So when I say negative, that means even worry about money. कैसे आएगा, कब आएगा, पैसा कब आएगा, ये हो क्यों नहीं रहा है, मेरे साथ ही ऐसा क्यों होता है. So all these are negative emotions about money. So when I am creating these negative emotions फॉर अ लॉन्ग पीरियड ऑफ टाइम, इवन 10 मिनट के ऊपर भी अगर मैं ये सोच रही हूँ नेगेटिव, तो मेरी फ्रिक्वेंसी ट्यून इन हो गई है उस एक्सपीरियंसेस के साथ, जो मुझे सिमिलर एक्सपीरियंसेस और देंगे, जिससे मुझे ये फीलिंग को फील करने का और एक मौका मिलेगा. सो आई गेट मोर एंड मोर अपॉर्चुनिटीज टू फील द सेम फीलिंग इफ आई एम tuned into that frequency by feeling worry or disappointment or irritation over my money area or my relationship. मे बी मनी में आपका सब अच्छा चल रहा है, लेकिन एक पर्सन ऐसा है जो आपको बड़ा इरिटेट करता है, और उसके बारे में आप बार बार ना, आपके अंदर यार ठीक जम नहीं रहा है. आई मीन, व्हाई डू दे डू दिस टू मी, एंड व्हाई आर दे बिहेविंग लाइक दिस? Again, you're tuning into negative frequency. And this is the reason why, even if everything is good in people's lives, sometimes they attract unexpected things like accidents. Have you heard, एक कोई नेचुरल कैलेमिटी आ गई, फ्लड है, अर्थक्वेक है, और आपने देखा मिराक्युलस एस्केप स्टोरीज आती है, और मेनी पीपल गेट विक्टिम्स टू दैट, बट सम पीपल एस्केप. अब ये तो किसी के हाथ में नहीं है, एंड पीपल कॉल इट लक. सो व्हाट इज लक? Luck is nothing but tuning into the required frequency. Luck is nothing but tuning into that required frequency. So why, if we all are connected to each other and we all have God within each other, then why are we attracting different experience? Why is our life different? हम सबकी life अलग क्यों है? Because we are tuning into different frequencies, so we are attracting different kinds of people and different kinds of experiences. सो इसीलिए ऐसा होता है. आई हैव लिसन टू मेनी स्टोरीज ऑफ डॉक्टर्स, स्पेशली इन आवर डेंटल फ्रैटर्निटी. कुछ डॉक्टर्स ऐसे होते हैं जो दिन में सिर्फ एक पेशेंट देखते हैं, ऑन द कॉन्ट्ररी टू अदर डॉक्टर्स हु डिसाइड द सक्सेस ऑफ देयर प्रैक्टिस अकॉर्डिंग टू द नंबर ऑफ पेशेंट्स दे सी. आज 20 की ओपीडी थी, 50 की ओपीडी थी, बट दीज डॉक्टर्स दे लुक, दे सी ओनली वन पेशेंट और टू पेशेंट्स. लेकिन ये पेशेंट्स कौन से हैं उनके? The quality of patients that they are taking care of are the ones who are the source of their monthly income, even one patient. So how much work you do, how many patients you do, how many clients you serve to is altogether a different thing. It is about tuning into the right frequency. All the other things are just moha maya or illusion. All moha maya and illusion which are distracting you from your desires and dreams. Or वैसे भी, whatever you do, आप पैसा कमाना चाहते हैं, आप हेल्थ को बहुत अच्छा बनाना चाहते हैं, रिलेशनशिप में हार्मनी लाना चाहते हैं, व्हाई डू वी डू दैट? अल्टीमेटली no one is greedy. Everyone wants this for peace of mind, happiness and security, right? For peace of mind, happiness and security. अल्टीमेटली इन्हीं फीलिंग्स को फील करने के लिए हम सब इन चीजों को पाना चाहते हैं, राइट? बट आपका माइंड आपको ये करने नहीं देता है और आपके लाइफ में ये होने नहीं देता है, क्योंकि आप जब तक कॉन्शियस लिविंग प्रैक्टिसेस, कॉन्शियस मैनिफेस्टेशन प्रैक्टिसेस को अडॉप्ट नहीं करते हैं, तब तक आपका माइंड लो फ्रिक्वेंसी पे आपको वाइब्रेट करेगा। एग्जाम्पल, आपका मोबाइल फोन है, मोबाइल फोन आपका 100% चार्ज है, दिन भर आपने उस पे फोन पे बात भी नहीं की, आपने फोन खोला ही नहीं, मैसेजेस नहीं चेक किए, कुछ नहीं, बस आपका फोन आपने साइलेंट करके रख दिया है टेबल पे। सुबह चले गए आप, शाम को आए, फोन कितना परसेंट चार्ज रहेगा? 100% चार्ज रहेगा या कुछ डिफरेंट रहेगा? कैन यू टाइप इन द चैट बॉक्स क्विकली? कितना चार्ज रहेगा? मतलब बैटरी डाउन होगी या बैटरी वैसी रहेगी?
डाउन होगी।
डाउन होगी, राइट? क्यों डाउन होगी? क्योंकि आपको ऐसा लगता है कि मैंने तो यूज ही नहीं किया, तो फिर तो 100% होनी चाहिए। तो यही हमारा माइंड है, यही हम है, मोबाइल की तरह। आप अगर कुछ भी कॉन्शियस लिविंग, मतलब आपके लाइफ में कॉन्शियस थिंकिंग, कॉन्शियस फीलिंग, कॉन्शियस मैनिफेस्टेशन प्रैक्टिसेस नहीं है, तो आपकी फ्रीक्वेंसी डाउन होने वाली है। बिकॉज इसी मोबाइल को चार्ज करने के लिए आपको एफर्ट लेना पड़ता है। चार्जर ढूंढोगे, इलेक्ट्रिक पॉइंट पे लगाओगे, यू विल मेक श्योर कि आपके घर में इलेक्ट्रिसिटी का सप्लाई है कि नहीं, उसको कनेक्ट करोगे, यू विल चेक कि लूज कनेक्शन तो नहीं है, फिर बटन ऑन करोगे, फिर फोन चार्ज होगा, राइट? अग्री? फोन डिस्चार्ज करने के लिए कोई एफर्ट लगता है? बिना यूज किए भी फोन
नहीं।
डिस्चार्ज होता है, लेकिन चार्ज करने के लिए एफर्ट लगता है। सिमिलरली हम लोगों को भी अपनी बैटरी चार्ज करनी होती है, बिकॉज इफ वी डोंट वर्क ऑन आवर फ्रीक्वेंसी एंड एनर्जी, then we will keep on attracting the similar unpleasant experiences in our life. And this is the reason why I am coming up with 90 days magic morning practices. So I have decided to make it a name, Rich Mindset Practices. So this will be about Rich Mindset Morning Conscious Practices. Why conscious? क्योंकि जब हम consciously इस space में रहते हैं, then we can consciously design our life and we will not be victims to जो होगा वो देखा जाएगा. We will create our life. We will strengthen our luck. But problem with everyone is time. So I thought that हाँ, अभी टाइम ऐसा है कि everyone has work, everyone has responsibilities. So let's keep it 15 to 20 minutes daily capsules like this. Agree? अगर इमेजिन कीजिए, इफ डेली फ्रॉम मंडे टू फ्राइडे आप ये सुनकर, ये ब्रेकफास्ट अपने माइंड को देकर आगे का दिन अगर आप कैरी करते हो, don't you feel that it will be easier for you to tune in to the right frequency than if you don't have anything to charge yourself, right? Plus it will be a structured session. It will be a structured way, means उसे एक sequence रहेगा. It will have some thinking assignment, some writing assignments, but it will not take a lot of time from your schedule, only 15 to 20 minutes. And this is going to be very specialized program which I have never done before. What I have done before was 1 hour, 1.5 hour sessions for 30 days, even for 6 months. But 15 to 20 minutes daily capsules are going to charge your battery, because it will be super packed, it will be super powerful, it will be absolutely designed for raising your vibrational frequency to the higher level in a conscious way. Otherwise, कितना भी knowledge लो, कितने भी YouTube videos देखो, at the end of the day, you will feel confused. How many of you agree with this? Right? So this is going to be 90 days daily manifestation practices, Rich Mindset morning sessions. If you're interested, then you can reach out to me about the further things. But what we are talking about right now is conscious manifestation practices, and every person needs it. Every person needs it. Why? Because if we are not in that space, if we are not conscious, then our vibrational frequency goes down automatically. Your mind will not allow you to be happy and successful. Your mind is your biggest enemy. And in this whole process, I'm going to train you to create miracles of your mind. I'm going to train you for being conscious, for making friendship with this mind. And when you're friends with your mind, you can create anything. You can absolutely create anything when you're friends with your mind. But we are not aware. And that's why this mind is constantly conspiring against us. तो जब भी आपको कुछ नया करना है, इवन व्हेन आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट दिस सेशंस, किसी ना किसी के माइंड में ये क्वेश्चन आएगा, क्यों करना है रोज 15-20 मिनट्स, क्या जरूरत है, फिर ऐसा होगा, फिर वैसा होगा, कोई जरूरत नहीं है. व्हाई? बिकॉज योर माइंड वांट्स यू टू बी इन योर कंफर्ट जोन. वो चाहते ही नहीं कि आप सक्सेस की तरफ जाओ. लेकिन सैड ट्रूथ ये है कि आपका सक्सेस आपके कंफर्ट जोन से बाहर है. आपका सक्सेस आपके कंफर्ट जोन के अंदर तो है ही नहीं. और सक्सेस हमें क्यों पाना है? एज आई ऑलरेडी सेड, सक्सेस इज नॉट अबाउट बीइंग ग्रीडी. इफ यू वांट टू अर्न अ लॉट ऑफ मनी, फील प्राउड ऑफ योरसेल्फ. क्योंकि जब हम पैसा कमाना चाहते हैं, इसका मतलब वी वांट टू कंट्रीब्यूट मोर टू अदर पीपल्स लाइव्स. वी वांट टू अट्रैक्ट मोर पीस, more security and more happiness into our life and into our family members' life. So, tomorrow is going to be an exciting session because you are going to get a magic formula. मैजिक फॉर्मूला, आपके अंदर 4 बटन्स हैं जो आपको पता ही नहीं है. बहुत ही इजी प्रोसेस है जिससे यू कैन कॉन्शियसली tune into the frequency which is right for you and your goals. So are you excited? If you are excited, then tune into tomorrow's session. In tomorrow's session, it is day 4 and it will be about magic formula. So see you tomorrow. We are ending the session. If you have anything to ask, feel free to reach out to me on my personal window. I am available to communicate with you and to add more value to your life. Take care. Bye-bye. And elevate your energy to the next level, being a Sunday today, right?